Hello everybody, today we are going to see Erba Microalbumin Kit. So this is the top and the front end side of the kit, and this is the side view of the kit, and you can find it here. This is the microalbumin kit of product catalog number 120412, and the pack size is 1 into 5 ml / 2 into 25 ml. You can find it here. This has a standard expiry of 3 years. You can find it here. And this is the other side of the kit. You can find this kit contains a mal buffer, mal anti-serum, and mal calibrator. So to open it up, let's open it up. And on the top you can find let me keep it here. On the top you can find an microalbumin, this microalbumin kit pack insert. Now you can find it here. I have placed it here, and on the inside you can find the mal buffer, and this 25 ml buffer. This needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and the reference for it is BLT 20031. You can find it here. This is the mal buffer of 25 ml. Let me keep this side, and there are like 2 mal buffers of 2 each volume. Let me keep this side. So next we have an mal anti-serum of reference number BLT 20031. You can find it here. It's a 5 ml pack. It needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. It is C certified. You can find it here. So let me keep it this side. And at last we can find the mal calibrator of 400 microgram per liter. This is a 1 ml pack which need to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see it here. So let me keep this side, and this is like the small cushion for all these glasswares and all. So to summon it up, and this is like the Erba microalbumin kit set. It has a pack insert. You can find it here, and it has 2 mal buffers, and there is one mal anti-serum solution of 1 ml, and there's mal calibrator of another 1 ml, and this is the pack of it. So this is the overall pack of it. Thank you.